This is a short video to show how I have my Sondors e-bike set up. I have, of course, the LCD display. I have the cha-ching bell, the rechargeable LED headlight, very bright, phone holder. I also have the Ibera rack and panniers, and in this pannier I have a kryptonite flexible lock, a rope, a tire patch kit, a pump, and a can of Fix-A-Flat. In this bag over here, I'm keeping now a couple extra batteries and a bottle of water to separate them. They fit perfect. In these bags I could hold 6 batteries. In here I have a can of mints or whatever goes in there. I have a charging brick that'll charge my phone 4 times. And also I have the charging cable. In this pouch I keep my tools, a multi-tool, a crescent wrench, another multi-tool, and some screws and Loctite. Pretty much everything I need to repair the bike. This one's empty for future needs. This one I have my reading glasses, a strap to carry these bags separately with, and also a lighter. And then of course I have a bungee cord for strapping down anything else I want to pick up along the way or take with me. I have the no pressure seat, as you can see. I love the freedom and range the extra batteries are giving me to explore my local area. It's hilly area, and the bike has no problem pulling me uphill at 13 and above, 13 miles per hour to 15 miles per hour up these little hills. Going down the hills, I'm routinely able to get to 26 to 30 miles per hour down these hills. This is 25, 26 miles per hour here. Smooth as silk. Again, thanks for watching the video.